Welcome back to another tutorial on Adobe Illustrator for beginners. In this tutorial, we're going to look at one of the freehand drawing tools we have in Adobe Illustrator, and that is the pencil tool. Now, the pencil tool will allow you to draw shapes, redraw shapes actually. It will allow you to do a lot of things in Illustrator. Now, let's look at it. So, I'm just going to click on this, hold, and then you have the pencil tool over here. So select this, and with this you can actually draw anything, and you see we've created the shape. So you can actually give this a fill color and an outline. So mine doesn't have a stroke and it doesn't have a fill color, so that's why when I clicked outside it disappeared. So we're going to select it. Let's give it a stroke color. So the outline color will be black. Let's leave it like that for now. Now, the amazing thing with the pencil tool is that you can come and remodify your shape afterwards. So I'll select this, select the pencil tool. Again, be really keen with working with the pencil tool. So I'll start on the line, come here, and over here. And as you can see, I can make modifications to this. So start from here. Another thing you can do with the pencil tool is that you can edit drawn shapes. So let's come over here. Have to select this. Again, you can add a fill color to this. So with this selected, you can add a fill color to it. You can play around with it in your design depending on what you want to design. So let me just resize that. Is it that? Now let's draw out a shape. This short and ellipsis tool. Yeah, let's just keep fill color on, choose a different color. Now if I come back with this selected and choose the pencil tool, let me show you how you can edit your shape. So I'll click on any point, draw out something, and then come back, and you can see it will make bulge at that point. Do the same on the other side. So you click, create a bulge. So Control Z and do that. You have to be really keen with this. It will continue creating a bulge like that, so you can actually edit your shape like so. So I'm trying to create a little froggy face. That's how effective the pencil tool is. If you click on any part of the shape, it will edit it, and then you can create this really cool effects on the shape. Control Z to undo. If you're not careful, it will actually backfire on you. So make sure you're really keen with this. So you can go on and on and on and create little amazing. You can make additions like I've done here. You can distort the shape, add really cool things to it, or create your own shapes using the pencil tool and actually go back and edit them. So go ahead and have fun with the pencil tool. Try it out on different shapes and try creating new things with it, and just have fun with it.